Hello and welcome to Tells Hobbies. In this video I'm going to be making a Footbridge card kit model for my model railway. This kit is a versatile bridge detailed inside and out, and I'll show you how I plan to use it on my model railway layout with a few extra details to make it look more realistic. Let's get into it. Some of the tools you need to build this kit is card kit glue, glazing glue, metal roll, hobby knife, scissors, tweezers always handy. I recommend you do this sort of builder's yard where you cut out all the parts and put them to one side. So I'm going to do that now. So I've got one card section over here, one card section there. These are the other two sections with all the windows there. Just makes it a bit easier to keep it organised. And then I've just been reading the instructions, and you have to really follow the instructions here and be careful how you line up all the different pieces. The windows, make sure that you use the right window for the right stairs here, because it says here, it actually says it can be confusing which goes with what. So I thought I'd just point that out and take extra care and time, make sure you've got the right pieces. So a useful tip, I've just cut a bit of wire, and you can use that just to put in the ends of the glue to stop it all drying up. So now we're going to attempt to glue this window. Another good idea is to use these little clips, and you can just clip it very gently together like that, just to hold it together. So I'm going to have a platform going round on this side of the track with the station, and then the footbridge sort of goes over the track, and I'm going to have another little platform here. There's going to be a ramp coming down there and a ramp coming down the back here. So it's going to look really good once all the platform is put together, and that's going to be like my station area. So there's quite a few different elements involved. You've got the platform, there's like three buildings, and then the platform. So there's like actually four different pieces of building kits involved. Some of the extra details I've put in here. So I think it's going to look really good when it's just all done. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like what I'm doing, if you think it's going to look good, if you've got any ideas, let me know in the comments. So I was really happy how this turned out, and I love all the little detail here I've done with the plants. This is the material that I use. It's just from the range shop, only a few quid, really good. I use that there, and I've used this flower kit there to just put in there. This is the card glue I've been using. It's quite good. You only need a little bit of this because it's quite runny, so just be careful not to get it all on the model. And then this is the crystal magic glue I've been using to do the windows. It's really quite good. It gives you a few seconds to move the windows around to get them right in the right position, and dries nice and clear. These are the paints I've been using for most of my card models, so just for the edgings. And then yeah, posters. These posters I've been using to put on the walls here. It came in a nice kit. So these are all the sort of handy bits and pieces that really help to do these card kit models. Just want to say a big thanks to all the people that have subscribed and gives me feedback. That's really great to see. I look forward to showing you more of my progress on model making. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.